Okay, so you use powerful tools like guided meditation, energy work, and trauma healing techniques, which you mentioned root cause therapy.
Yep.
Can you walk us through one of your favorite exercises that listeners can try at home?
I feel like I gave so many points already, but yeah, I do have one more.
Okay.
So it could be done in a real life, but it could be also done when you close your eyes and imagine that you are somewhere. But I'm time traveler, and I like traveling in time. So it happened to me that I got in a really challenging situation. I was at court,
Mm.
and it was very uncomfortable day. And I was leaving the court, walking down the stairs. I was just in tears, and I thought my life ended. And I went back there, seeing myself from outside, walking down the steps. So you can even go and visit that place, or you can just visit yourself in your mind in like playing a beautiful quiet music, or just making that time for your and space in the evening. You can journal about it, and you can just visit yourself, walk with that person who is walking down the stairs, as I'm
Mhm.
using the example, and you can meet them. You can just see them and say, I see you, this is a hard day, and I'm
Mm.
here with you, I'm coming from future, and you've got this. So you're sending the strength to that person in that moment, and heal them. So it helps me because now I know that part is integrated. I know I wasn't alone. That was my future me with me who saw that, witnessed that, and you went through it and you didn't die. You were okay and you were so much stronger. And I gave that power, that
Mhm.
validation, that beautiful energy to myself in that moment to heal that moment, that difficult day in my life. And you can do it forward as well. So if I am in a stressful situation, I know today is a hard day. I know today is the interview, which, I don't know, for a TED Talk interview or something, for a
Ugh.
TED Talk speech or something, like you like, I need everything.
Yeah.
You can also bring the future you. It's like, honey, how did I
Mm.
do this? Please help me. I need you today. So you can call your
I
future
like that.
self. And say, I know I'm not alone. I know my healed me, my healed version of me is now by my side helping me. And then you can close the loop. So I don't know, once you get it, or 2 years later, it's like, I saw you, you prepared well, and I was by your side. And you can close the loop that you actually did it from the future to your past. So I love time traveling,
Yeah.
and giving myself a power for past, which was hard, and for the future. Yeah.
I like that because I
Mhm.
do that similar to the inner child in me, and it's
Mhm.
mostly the
Yeah.
teenage Lisa. The little Lisa,
Mm.
she's pretty calm now. She's had her voice and she's happy playing, but the teenage Lisa, so I go back and I help, I work with her. I love the idea of future thinking because I do something similar to that when and I shared a story when my husband had a medical scare and my mind automatically went to the worst, right? And I was spinning myself out. I was literally spinning myself out. And I knew I had to stop the craziness that was going on in my
Mm.
head. And that's exactly what I did is I stopped. At first I meditated to get myself in the right space. And then I sat there and thought, okay, what do I want this to look like? What do I want
Mhm.
it to look like? And I visualized, I went through every little detail of exactly what he was going to look like. Do you know what? This is what, 2 years later, and that vision has come true. Now, I'm not saying I did it. I'm not saying I did it, but I'm saying it that helped me in the moment, and it snapped me out of that spinning, and and as soon as I would start feeling scared again, I'd go back to that visual, and I'm not kidding you. That what I envisioned that day is happening. It's crazy, but it works, and it got me through that. Boy.
Well done, Lisa. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
very heavy story you are sharing, and well done for being able to hold the space for your partner and not spinning down, as you said. You have to catch yourself. Yeah, and that's the moment, that's the awareness, that's the step
Yeah.
one. It's like, I know I'm doing this. Okay.
Yeah, and I know I can stop it. How can I do
Mm,
it? And I literally I have a app on my phone for meditating and you can pick different times. I literally did like a 20-minute one because I knew I really needed to get myself calm. And that really helped dial it way back. And when I got to a point where I just felt like I had no control over my mind. And so that brought control back. And then I'm like, okay, what do I want it to look like? I don't want it to look like that. I'm not going
lovely.
to think on that anymore.
Hmm.
So beautifully, beautifully said. I love that you said
Mm.
that. That's great, and it works. It works.